Okay, today's challenge is to chase down that horrible rattle in the front of the car. Can you hear that? Now the thing is, a noise like that can be a lot of things. It could be a bad strut mount, although this one's brand new. It could be a loose bolt in the top of the strut mount, which would be my fault. Could be a Swaybar link. Could be something else loose in suspension, but I'm going to show you a quick way to do a quick diagnosis and chase it down to either the strut area or the Swaybar area. Here's the trick. If you're driving along and you've got the noise very consistently, which I do right now, and it's rattling on anything approaching a bump, as soon as you go around a corner, if it stops, which it did, and as soon as I straighten the wheel out, it's doing it again, that tells you it's Swaybar. Because whenever you're going around a corner, the car is leaning, which is putting stress on the Swaybar, which is putting a load on the Swaybar links, keeping them from rattling. So now I know I got to go get a Swaybar link, although the prudent thing to do is to take the wheel off and make sure that's what's actually going on. Well, even though there really wasn't anything that I could feel in the original Swaybar links that was loose, including prying with a pry bar, really pulling, pushing, and twisting as hard as I could, clearly that was the problem. New links, absolute, beautiful, blissful, quiet. Mission accomplished.